Hello. In this video we will look at the differences between having no strain at all, global target strain, and local target strain. For this video I've created 7 different identical squares here. They are all 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters, so they are all perfectly square and they are all identical. For the first object we're going to leave no strain on this, so we're not going to apply any global or local target strain. For items number 2, 3, and 4, we're going to apply global target strain. So for number 2, we're going to apply strain only in the principal direction, so in the same direction as the grain line. For number 3, we're going to apply transverse strain, so that's going to be strain perpendicular to the grain line. And for item number 4, we're going to apply strain on both the principal and transverse directions. So we're going to apply strain both in the same direction and perpendicular to the grain line. For items number 5, 6, and 7, we're going to use local target strain. We're going to apply it up in the corner here. For number 5, we're going to apply strain only in the trunk direction, so that's going to be the primary direction indicated by the local target strain highlight. For item number 6, we're going to apply branch direction strain, so that's going to be in the direction of the branches or perpendicular to the trunk. And for item number 7, we're going to apply strain in both the branch and trunk direction. Before we do anything, we're going to go ahead, we're going to add a grain line. We're going to keep this simple. To do this, I'm going to switch over to wireframe mode, and we're just going to use the ExactFlat grain line tool. We're going to add the grain line in the exact same spot for all of them. So for item 1, we're not going to use any global target strain. For item number 2, we're going to turn on global target strain and apply 10% strain in the principal direction. For item number 3, we're going to apply a grain line with global target strain 10% in the transverse direction. And for item number 4, we're going to use global target strain with 10% in the principal and transverse direction. We're still going to apply a grain line for items number 5, 6, and 7, but we're not going to turn on global target strain. And it looks like I have an old local target strain field still here, so we are going to, I'm just going to remove this. Okay, so we've applied our global target strain to items 2, 3, and 4. Now we need to apply the local strain field to items number 5, 6, and 7. To do this, we're going to use the ftest local target strain command. And we're going to select triangle. We're going to select the 4th down and 4th across from the top right corner. 2, 3, 4. And we're going to use the bottom half. And now we can adjust the strain field. We're going to apply a 10% strain in the trunk direction and 0 in the branch direction. And we're going to modify the size of the field. We're going to do 20 units across in all directions. We can also modify the branch count, and we can also adjust the angle of the prop here. And this is the angle in which the strain field is going to be applied. We're going to do the same thing for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20, 20, 20, 20. In this case, we're going to do 0% strain in the trunk. We're going to do 10% strain in the branch. And we can see that the prop is identical, except the values of the strain have been swapped. Lastly, 3, 4, we're going to do the same over here, except we're going to do 10% in both directions. Now we've applied the strain field, the local target strain field, to items 5, 6, 7, and we've turned on global target strain for items 2, 3, and 4. However, the pieces haven't changed shape, and they're not going to change shape until we optimize. The strain fields are always applied as a very last step during the optimization phase. So to do this, we're going to open up the optimizer, we're going to select all 7 pieces, and we're just going to optimize using basic cotton. So optimization is going to proceed quickly, and as we're optimizing for item number 2, we're going to see it's going to be scaled in one direction. Item number 3 is going to be scaled in the opposite direction. Item 4 is going to be scaled equally in both directions, and for item number 5, 6, and 7, we're going to see the top right corner distort as we optimize. So for this one, because we applied the strain in the trunk direction, we've pulled the top right corner to the left. For the top number 6, because we applied the strain in the branch direction, we're pulling the pattern down from the top down. And for number 7, because we applied the strain in both the trunk and branch direction, we're pulling both from the top down and from right to left. If we turn our strain map back on, we can see that the colors correspond to the expected strain value. We applied 10% strain for items number 2, 3, and 4, and this corresponds to the color green, which represents strain value of 10%. Similarly, we can see that we've got 10% strain in the top right corner. The colors are being shaded green, indicating 10% strain. We can see this for item number 5, 6, and 7. So these are the differences between no strain, global target strain, and local strain.